So again, if someone asks you, why is shirk the most severe and serious of sins, the worst of sins, the most oppressive forms of oppression? The answer is because Allah Azza wa Jal subhanahu wa ta'ala will not forgive a shirk if a person dies upon it. And the proof, alhamdulillah, is well known to all of us. Inna Allah la yaghfiru an yushraka bih wa yaghfiru ma duna dhalika liman yasha. That verily Allah will not forgive that partners be associated with Him, but He forgives that which is lesser than shirk for those whom He wills. As for the sins that are lesser than shirk, then Allah Azza wa Jal subhanahu wa ta'ala forgives them for those whom He wills. So that's the first reason. The second reason, Habidakumullah, is that Allah Azza wa Jal will prevent the mushrik, the polytheist, from entering paradise. The mushrik will never enter Jannah. Rather, he will be in the hellfire for eternity. As Allah Azza wa Jal, He said, إِنَّهُ مَن يُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ فَقَدْ حَرَّمَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ الْجَنَّةَ وَمَأْوَاهُ النَّارُ وَمَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ مِنْ أَنصَارٍ. That whoever associates partners with Allah, whoever commits shirk, whoever worships other than Allah, then Allah will forbid them from entering paradise. They will never enter paradise. And their abode will be the hellfire for eternity. Naam. And there is no helpers for the oppressors. The oppressors, the mushrikun. Remember we said, Inna shirka la dhulmun azim. Shirk is the most serious and severe form of oppression. The third, shirk nullifies all of a person's actions. A shirk, it nullifies all of a person's actions, major shirk. As Allah Azza wa Jalla said in the Quran, وَلَقَدْ أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ وَإِلَى الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ لَإِنْ أَشْرَكْتَ لَيَحْبَطَنَّ عَمَلُكَ وَلَا تَكُونَنَّ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ بَلِ اللَّهَ فَاعْبُدْ وَكُنْ مِنَ الشَّاكِرِينَ. It was revealed to you, O Muhammad, and those who came before you, that if you associate partners with Allah, your deeds will be nullified, null and void, and you will be from the losers. Rather, worship Allah alone and be from the thankful. So a shirk, brothers and sisters, is the worst sin.